Here we go, Tim's inaugural trip down the new ramp. Plenty of room there, sir?
Plenty of room. Oh, this is nice.
I like your hat.
Thank you. I don't think you want to see that.
We just want to make sure we don't have to widen it.
No, you don't. I can tell.
Oh, you didn't even have to pop the wheel in.
Looking, didn't even rub the tires.
No, not at all. This is great.
Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Perfect.
Yay!
All right, now where is going to be a good